people, but consumer advocates warn they are also bringing out the worst.
From store coupons that are fake to gift-giving pyramid schemes, CBS 2's Cindy Hsu has a heads up on some of the biggest scams of this season.
There it is on your Facebook page, an offer for a coupon for 50% off at Target. Who couldn't use the savings this time of year?
They're playing with people's emotions.
But go ahead and click on the link and you could get more than you bargained for, says consumer advocate Paul Oster.
If the coupon is on social media, don't use it. Don't click on it. It's not real.
It's a phishing scheme intended to get your personal information. And experts say it's just one of many this holiday season. Oster recently received this email urging him to update his personal information on his American Express account.
It says that your card could not be verified.
But take a closer look at the sender's email address, and Oster says you can tell is a scam.
This is from sam.wiseman at unipostdam.de. This is not an American Express.